Hello.
Hello.
Evening, sweet.
Good evening, teacher.
Oh, but how are you today?
I'm fine.
Wow, you are fine. I think you're so happy because I can see your smile. I can see your smile.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now, sweet, since it's already time, so we are going to start our lesson, okay? Okay, so sweet. So we are going to move on. So we have here our new lesson, Solution Upper Intermediate, Unit 3, Costume and Culture. So we are done to our Unit 2. And now let's move on to Unit 3, Costume and Culture, Vocabulary and Word Skill. So at this evening, you're going to learn about gestures and expression, human sounds, compound, adjective, American English. Okay, so let's have a warm up. So this is our first activity or first task. So look at the picture in photos. We have A to F, A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, F. What feelings their body language express? Okay, letter picture A. What is this feelings?
Um. I think it's fine.
Hmm?
Uh.
Surprise?
No, I think she don't know anything.
Okay, so what is that word? You don't know anything. What do you think? Confused? Confused?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So when we don't know anything, so like that. So very good. It's a confused. Okay, and how about the letter B? It like what feeling is this?
um. I don't know.
Same feeling with letter A because they like that.
I don't know.
Okay, so they have the same feelings because, oh, I don't know what to do. I'm confused like that. Okay.
Yeah.
C, what do you think about the letter C's feelings?
Um. She's scared.
Yeah, very good. Scared or anxious. And how about the letter D?
Um. Boring.
Feel
Yeah.
annoyed.
Yeah.
Very good. Feel annoyed. And how about the letter E?
Happy.
Happy. Very good. Happy or surprise. And the
Sad.
letter F is letter F.
Uh, so I think happy.
Very good. Happy.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay. So thank you so much. So you've got here. Okay, now let's read the words, the vocabulary. Okay. We have grown,
brown.
grind. Oh, no, no, this is
Right.
not grind. Green, green, green,
Green.
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 Okay, pout.
Bao.
Okay. Okay, what is this again?
Brown.
Okay,
Green.
this one.
Out.
Okay, pout. Okay, so these are the three feelings. Next, we have scowl,
Scout.
shrug,
Shrub.
wink,
Wing.
okay, very good. Oh, wait. Please read again. What is this?
Scout. Run. Run.
Wink.
Wing.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's read here. Okay, so we have first cross, to pass across each other.
Cross. To pass across each other.
Okay, next, bow, to move your head or the top half of your body forwards and toward as a sign of respect or to say hello or goodbye.
Bow. To move your head or the top half of your body forwards and downwards as a sign of respect or to say hello or goodbye.
Okay. Next, hold, to wrap something around somebody or something.
Fourth, the to wrap something around somebody or something.
Okay, next, grimace. Grimace, to make an ugly expression with face to show pain, dislike. Grimace.
Rhyme to make an only expression with face to show pain, dislike.
Okay, nod. If you nod or nod, your head nods, you move your head and down up and down to show agreement, understanding, ecstasy.
Nerve. If you nerve, you hit or you hit nerve. You move your head up and down to show agreement, understanding, etc.
Okay, very good. Next, first. First, to form of your lips into a small tight around shape. For example, to show that you don't not approve for something.
First, to form your lips into a small tight round shape. For example, to show that you do not approve of something.
Okay. Next, we have scratch, to rub your skin with your nails, usually because it is itching.
Scratch. To rub your skin with your nails, usually because it is itchy.
Very. Yawn. To open your mouth wide and breathe and deeply through it, usually because you are tired or bored.
Young. To open your mouth wide and breathe in deeply through it, usually because you are tired or bored.
Okay, so now let's explain this one to you. Okay, now let's talk about cross. Okay. Okay, so let's talk about cross. To pass across each other. Example sweet, this is your house. And there is a road and this is your friend house. So you're going to across from your house to your friend house. Okay, that is cross. To pass across each other. Okay? And then when we said bow, to move your head like this. Bow. That is a bow. So I think you know already what is bow. You know
Yeah,
this? Do you know this?
yeah, no, I
Okay.
don't.
Oh, when we say bow, that like this is the action like that. Your head is going to like that. You say hello and goodbye.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, fold to wrap something around somebody. Okay, when we say fold, to wrap, to cover. To cover. When we say wrap, that is cover. Example, this is a paper. I'm going to cover it. So I'm wrapping. Okay, this is wrap or fold.
Yes.
Okay, next, grimace, that is make an ugly expression to face show pain. Example, uh, someone hit you, but you can't react, so you just like acting like your face like that. So showing your ugly faces. Okay, when we say nod, that is like that. Nod. Up, down, like that. Left, right. That is nod, okay?
Mm,
Next is purse. To form your lips into small, tight, and round shape, like this. Your lips like this, into small, like. And then scratch like this. Scratch. This is a scratch. And then next, yawn
yeah.
like wide open your mouth to take a breath deeply through it. Okay. Okay. Question here.
Yeah.
Question.
Um, uh, yeah.
You have a question?
Mm, I want yeah. I want the
What?
eating.
Okay. Itching like this. So the insect bite and then you feel or you're going to like scratch like itching because has the insect bite so you feel itching. Okay. What else?
No.
Okay. Okay, now this time in our test 2, match the emotion below with their definition. Okay, so we have here annoyance, anxiety, boredom, confusion, disapproval, disgust, fear, friendliness, happiness, ignorance, indifferent, interest, pain, shame, shock, surprise. So you're going to match this word from 1 to 8. I will give you one example. A feeling caused by something happened suddenly or unexpected. It's surprise because the word happening suddenly or unexpectedly. Okay, so surprise are out. So you're going to choose or match these from these sentences. Okay,
Okay.
go.
Mm.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. Number two, the state of feeling showing pleasure. Very good. Happiness. Three, a state of not being certain about what is happening, what something means. It's confusion because you confuse because not being certain about what's happening, what something means. Like the I didn't know. Okay, for a feeling that you do not like an idea, an action because you think it is bad. Very good. It's disapproval. Number five, kind, pleasant behavior towards somebody you like or want to help. Friendliness. Lack of knowledge or information about something. Very good. Ignorance. Number seven, used to say that something is a cause for feeling sad or disappointed. It's a shame because the word used to say used to say something cause for feeling sad or disappointed. If I'm going to say to you, Chi, I sweet, you are so very ugly. So you feel sad, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, okay. And number eight, the bad feelings that you have when you are in danger or when a particular thing frightens you. Very good. A fear. So you got here. One, two, three, four. Four over. Ano? Yeah, one, two, three, four. Okay, so 4/8. No, 4/7. Yeah, okay, you got 4/7 here. Okay, so don't you worry, sweet. Now let's proceed to our next slide. Okay, continue. So we are done using these words. Now continue. 9 to 16. Okay, continue.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Number 9, the feeling of being slightly angry. Okay, your answer, annoyance. Very good. Number 10, the state of feeling nervous or worried. That's something, but it's going to happen. Very good. Anxiety. Number 11, state of feeling bored. That fact of being boring. Boredom. A strong feeling for something that looks, smells, etc. unpleasant. Very good. Disgust. A lack of interest, feeling, or reaction towards somebody, something. Very good. Indifference. Feeling that you have when you want to know or learn more about somebody or something. Very good. Interest. 15. The feelings that you have in your body when you have been hurt or ill. Very good. Pain. A strong feeling of surprise, a result of something happening. Very good. It's a shock.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Congratulations. So you get here 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 over 8. So 8 plus 4, 12 over 16. Okay, so you get 12 over 16 overall. Okay, so very good, not bad for the first time answering that one. Sweet, now let's proceed to our task 2, a trust 3. Play with teachers. Choose emotion and make gestures and expression to convey them. Identify the gestures of expression and guess the emotion. Okay, so this time, Sweet, I'm going to show you. We're going to play. Mhm. Let's guess what is the facial expression of annoyance. What is the face of annoyance? Expression, the facial expression of annoyance, like that, and then your eyes, and then you raise your eyebrow. Okay. And how about
Yeah.
the surprise?
Um,
Yeah.
mhm.
How about this one? Ignorance.
Mm. Hmm.
I think like this.
Uh, yeah.
Okay, this one. It's your turn. Confusion.
Um,
Very good. Like and this one, shock.
oh,
Yeah, shock and surprise, like same facial expression. This one, friendliness. You're friendly.
mm. Smart.
Hmm.
Mm. Friendly.
Friendliness. What is the facial expression of friendly? Like you're going to
Mm.
smile. Yeah. And how about fear?
Mm.
Mm-hmm. Fear, like, yeah, like that. Okay, so much for that. Let's proceed here. Okay, so we are done there. Now, in our task 4, listen and write in your notebook the sounds below and the order you hear them. Okay, human sounds, clear your throat, count, cast, high cap, and then you're going to write in here. Okay, example, sneeze. Okay, so you're going to answer 2 to 10. Let's go.
Unit 3, Lesson 3A, Exercise 4. 1,
Hurt you!
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Hang on. Again.
Okay, sure.
Unit 3, Lesson 3A, Exercise 4. 1,
Hurt you!
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Take more.
Okay.
Wait for me.
Okay, okay. You want to listen again?
Okay.
Okay.
Unit 3, Lesson 3A, Exercise 4. 1,
Hurt you!
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Mhm. Mm.
Okay, done?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, hmm. Number one is sneeze. Number two, your answer is hiccup or hiccup. Very good. Sigh, sneeze, cough, tooth. It's a slurp. Clear your throat. Slur and snore. Okay. You get here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 over 9 because number 1 is example. Okay, so you get a few mistakes. Congratulations. Okay, so we are done here. Now, let's see the time. Oh, sweet. It's already time, so we cannot proceed. So we are going to continue this one next meeting on Tuesday, okay? Because we still have much of time.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so sweet. It's already time. So we're gonna end here at task 4 and we will continue next meeting, task 5. So it's time to say goodbye, sweet, and see you next time. Goodbye.
Yeah. Bye, teachers. Good evening.
Bye. Good evening.